Hi everyone, I'm Donna from the Land Rover Guidebook channel. Today, we will look at how to use activity keys and how to pair a remote controller. First of all, how to use activity keys. Depending on your Land Rover vehicle class, you will be given an activity key if your model allows it to be used. It comes in a box about the size of a palm. Peel off the plastic covering and remove the sticker between the white and the transparent cover to open the cover and remove the activity key. Activity keys are straps that look like wristwatches. It's great for when you're not comfortable carrying your smart key or keeping it safe. Activity keys are water resistant to 18 meters of depth and have excellent impact resistance. Activity keys can be worn on the wrist like a wristwatch. When the activity key is activated, the vehicle is locked, the warning system is activated, and the smart key inside the vehicle is deactivated. The activity key is activated by touching it to the vehicle's built-in antenna. The location of the antenna varies by Land Rover model. Range Rover and Range Rover Sport are located at tailgates. Range Rover lettering second R. The new Evoque and Vela have an antenna next to the Land Rover logo on the right side of the tailgate. Discovery has an antenna at D of tailgate Discovery lettering. So let's use activity keys in Discovery. The activity key is activated by touching the antenna within 30 seconds of the last closing of all doors of the vehicle, including the tailgate. When the activity key is activated, all door locks are locked, the emergency light flashes once the side mirrors are folded according to the settings, and the alarm system is activated. Do not touch the curved part of the wrist strap when placing the activity key on the antenna of the vehicle. You need to touch the straight line to activate it. When you deactivate the activity key again, you have to press the open button on the tailgate once and touch the activity key on the antenna within 30 seconds. At the moment, I have the smart key in my pocket instead of inside vehicle, so when I press the tailgate's open button, the tailgate opens. I'll close the tailgate again, put the smart key in the distance to the extent that the smart key is not recognized, and come back. Smart keys are no longer in my pocket. Therefore, the door does not open because the keyless system does not work when you try to open the door. And the tailgate does not open when the tailgate's open button is pressed. If you put the activity key on the antenna within 30 seconds of pressing the tailgate open button, the activity key is deactivated and the vehicle door is unlocked. In this way, you can use your activity key to lock or unlock the door of your car even when the smart key is not inside the car. Now let's use the activity key with the smart key stored inside the car. In order to activate the activity key, you must hold the activity key on the antenna within 30 seconds of the last closing of all doors, including the tailgate. When the activity key is activated, all doors are locked and the emergency light flashes once. Now all doors on the vehicle will not open. The vehicle's alarm system is activated and the smart keys stored inside are deactivated. Now, to open the vehicle door again, press the release button on the tailgate once and then place the activity key on the antenna within 30 seconds. The emergency light will flash once to unlock the vehicle. All doors, including the tailgate, can now be opened and the smart keys stored inside the vehicle are reactivated. The following shows how to pair a remote controller. If your car is equipped with an entertainment system for rear passengers, you can control rear media from the infotainment screen with 2 monitors in the rear seats. From the infotainment screen, you can turn on or off the rear media and select various sources. While using the rear media function, tap the settings icon at the bottom of the screen to access rear media settings from the upper right of the settings pop-up window. Rear media settings have a Find Rear Remote Control menu. Currently, the remote control is well connected to the vehicle, so when you select the left and right monitors of the remote control, you can see the lights on. Tap the Find Rear Remote Control menu to see a pop-up like this. If you have a good connection, select No. Now let's put another remote control and try the Find Rear Remote Control menu. Tap the Find Rear Remote Control menu and select Yes when asked if you want to find a new remote. The screen then starts a search to find a new remote. If no new remote is found, a pop-up window may appear asking if you want to try again. If you select Yes in the pop-up window, the instructions will appear on the screen. Pressing and holding the power button and home button on the remote control at the same time. It also tells you to press continue when the remote control blinks. Press the OK button on the remote or tap continue on the screen. After a while, you will be notified that the remote is connected. You will see the left and right monitors light up on the newly connected remote. Now, let's use the remote that was connected earlier. It does not light up when I press the power button on the remote control in the left and right monitors. This remote control appears to be disconnected. So let's pair again by selecting Find Rear Remote Control. If a pop-up window appears asking if you can't find the remote and try again, select Yes and follow the on-screen instructions to press and hold the power and home buttons same time. When the remote control blinks, tap the OK button or continue on the screen. You will now see the screen indicating that the remote control is connected and you will see the left and right monitor buttons light up. If you look again at the remote, you'll see that it's all off. Therefore, you can see that only one remote control can be used in the vehicle. See how to pair remote controls in rear media settings. Select the left and right monitors from the connected remote control and press the power button to turn them on or off and perform the various controls below. So far, you have learned how to use activity keys and how to pair remote controls. In the next video, we will talk about valet mode. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.